So from stockbroker to being a film actress, so what a sudden decision it wasn't. What did your father to say about it?
Well, my dad's always been supportive. उन्होंने बचपन से ही कहा था कि
खुद सोचो कि अपनी जिंदगी के साथ क्या करना चाहती हो और गौर से सोचो। और काफी सोच विचार के बाद जब मेरे पास आई और कहने लगी कि मैं तो एक्टिंग करना चाहती हूं, तो मैंने कहा बड़े शौक से करो। और पूजा एक खूबसूरत लड़की है, जिंदा दिल लड़की है, उसकी बहुत अच्छी पर्सनैलिटी है, तो और बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट भी है। तो उसने कहा कि मैं अपना करियर ये बनाऊंगी, लेकिन खुद बनाऊंगी, आपकी मदद मुझे नहीं चाहिए। तो एक बाप होते हुए मैं तो उसका भला ही चाहता हूं, और अगर वो मुझसे कोई भी मदद चाहे तो मैं देने को तैयार हूं। लेकिन इस वक्त वो चाहती है कि वो अपना करियर अपने जोर से, अपने टैलेंट से, अपने दिमाग से, अपने दिल से पूरी तरह बनाए, और उसकी सफलता उसके दिमाग में उसकी अपनी मेहनत से आएगी।
अच्छा, क्या तैयारी की है फिर हीरोइन बनने के लिए? एनी ग्राउंड प्रिपरेशन?
हाँ, बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशन। That's what my dad said. He goes, I don't mind you joining, but prepare for it. So acting classes लेने पड़े, डांस क्लासेस, हॉर्स राइडिंग क्लासेस, उर्दू क्लासेस, डायलॉग क्लासेस, डिक्शन क्लास। मुझे हिंदी बोलना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था। इतना भी नहीं बोल पाती थी मैं। बोलती थी चाय लाओ, कॉफ़ी लाओ, बस इतना ही आता था मुझे। तो फिर सीखते सीखते अभी मैं बोल सकती हूँ, मैं लोगों से शुद्ध हिंदी में वार्तालाप कर सकती हूँ। नहीं, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत। अभी मैं प्रयत्न कर रही हूँ कि मैं I'll be able to get along very well with the language, be fluent in it. I'm not so bad at it. My basic problem is composing my lines, but if I'm given a script, even a 3-page script, I can learn it like this. I have good memory. I can learn my script and deliver it. That's no problem for me.
अच्छा, आप उस वक्त फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आई हैं जबकि यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी इतनी नई लड़कियाँ हैं, इतनी नई हीरोइनें हैं, और आजकल हीरोइन डोमिनेटेड फिल्में तो बनती नहीं हैं, हीरोइन ओरिएंटेड रोल्स।
तो मेरे पास है एक ओरिएंटेड रोल। I actually consider myself lucky, to be honest, because when people say it's important to be launched with a big banner and it's important to have this kind of backing and this kind of a launching, I agree with them. It is very important, but what is also important is the role, and I'm very fortunate to have a role that is so big and so diverse. In this film I wear everything from a mini skirt to jeans to salwar kameez to a sari to a village outfit to everything. This film covers it all. I guess if this film runs and is a hit, it'll really prove, I guess, how versatile an actress I can be. I think it's a very good beginning. I'm proud of the film. Jagmohan is an excellent director. Kunal has acted very well. Producer's very sweet, and it's just a great setup, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
अच्छा, ज़रूरी तो नहीं इसके बाद भी इसी तरह की फिल्में मिलेंगी? फिर तो जो दूसरी हीरोइनें करेंगी वही आप करेंगी, यानी कि जस्ट ग्लैमरस रोल्स, दैट्स ऑल?
जब भी whenever you open a magazine, you hear Amir Khan, who's got a few films on hand, saying I should have chosen even less. Anil Kapoor has a certain selective roles, certain amount of films. Most of the top actors like Amitabh Bachchan, Anil Kapoor, Amir Khan, all of these people who are considered good in the industry, all have very few films at hand, because I guess they believe in the quality of their work, and they believe in the role, they believe in the character they asked to portray. And that's what I'm into. I'm not into doing films for the sake of doing quantity films. I would rather put quality into my work. In America, for example, people train for years to get into a certain role. Dustin Hoffman, to get into a role in this movie. What was the name of the movie? You see the movie? Rain Man. Rain Man. He trained for 1 year. He lived with a acoustic person for 1 year to observe him and to get into the role. That's the kind of thing I would like to do. I would like to train for the role. I would like to involve myself in a certain role. That's what I would like.
Okay, इसके अलावा क्या क्या इंटरेस्ट हैं, क्या क्या हॉबीज़ हैं आपकी?
Hobbies, I like water skiing. I like swimming. I like रीडिंग, मुझे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है. आई लाइक रीडिंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स. एंड मॉडलिंग ऑल्सो मैं करती हूँ. इट्स नॉट अ प्रोफेशन, it's more like a professional kind of a hobby kind of a thing. I enjoy doing modeling, and also I do selective modeling. कुछ भी नहीं कर लेती हूँ. Occasionally when I like something, I like a product, I like the concept of the ad, तो मैं कर लेती हूँ.
अच्छा, अब द वेरी थॉट कि आप फिल्मों में आ गई, फिल्म हीरोइन बन रही हैं बल्कि बन गई हैं, हाउ इज़ द फीलिंग?
Truthfully, it doesn't feel different because I'm not acting any different. मतलब कि my attitude hasn't changed, my behavior hasn't changed at all. I'm still the same mad girl who once existed. My friends say, you haven't changed. When they meet me after so long, कि तुम बदली नहीं. तो मैं कहती हूँ, why should I change? It's me. They're all happy and they all.
जब लोग पहचानते हैं तो कैसा लगता है?
It feels strange because actually the truth is all the publicity that's happened for me hasn't really been positive. So when most people look at me, it's not like, wow. I mean, there are lots of people who say put away, and they run and get autographs, like say, I have your posters here, I have your posters there, you're so good looking, you're so this. And then I get a little chado and my head goes a little high and all. But basically on the streets, the women look at me and they go kus, and it's like, it hurts sometimes. And I wish all this hadn't happened sometimes. I just wish it hadn't happened. It did.
So no more affairs, no more involvement.
No, just my career. Just my career.